It's cookie time. Sugar cookie time. Yep. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh ThePEZGuy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. And I mean it. I mean it. Got pretty intense there for a second. Now then, all right, what do all of these items have in common? Huh? You don't know either, do you? Yeah, I thought I was going to come up with something funny and, but I didn't. Aha, fooled you. So here is what we're going to do. What do you think about the halfway point is? Well, but you haven't seen the rest of it, so it stops there. So maybe about here? Maybe over here? What about over there? Okay, just checking to make sure you're paying attention. So we're going to say right about here. So, yep, we'll start right there. Because this is how I do it. And make sure to use a real dull knife. That way you can increase the level of difficulty. Get your thumb real close underneath of it. Kids, don't try this at home. Don't listen to what I do. All right. There we go. Where there was one, there is now two. No way I'm listening to you again on where halfway point is. But I think it's going to work. It better work too. Ugh. All right. Step 2. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Pull that out. All right. So where is my... Oh, there it is. I have to do all of this here. So to make sure everything will go safely, we take our bubble wrap. We wrap up our dispenser. And then we put it inside of here. Put this back inside. There we go. Now I can put my dispenser in my luggage or mail it to somebody or pack it away so it stays safe. Yeah. Very cool idea. Very cool dispenser. Look at this. And cool candy. We have another cookie. Wait a minute. We have cookies here. Do we have cookies here? Oh, only one. Only one. We need to save our cookies. Save your cookies for Santa, kids. I'm telling you. It means something. So until next time.